Happy New Year, everyone. I know it's been a while since I posted a video or a review. The holidays just caught up with me. I took a little vacation, got back, and I caught a cold. So that is why I haven't been able to post any videos in a little bit. But hopefully, I'll be getting back to my regular schedule. So if you guys haven't seen my review of this case, this is the Ballistic Jewel Spark that I reviewed some time ago, and this was my favorite case. It's still my go-to daily driver as far as cases go, because of the fact that, number one, I like how it looks, and offers very good protection. You're talking about military A10G drop protection standards, and it has very good grip and very good feel in the hand, next to something like a Samsung OEM what is it, rugged cases. This has the best gripping I've had on any smartphone case, especially with clear cases. So this is its let's say its sister or brother, and this is the man, I had to readjust my lighting. Got too much reflections from this case right here. This one, not that one. So these are both Ballistic Spark cases, and like I said, this is the sister or brother of this one that I just reviewed. If you guys haven't seen the unboxing and review of this one, the Jewel Spark, this is the smoke or black, yeah, smoke tinted case. I'll put a link in the description so you guys can watch that. But basically, this is the twin sister. This is the all clear one of this one, the smoke. And no, it does not come with the kickstand, the smoke one. I added this kickstand on. This is one of the Spigen universal metal kickstands that I added on so I could have the kickstand. And so they're basically pretty much the same as far as they're virtually identical. They have the same 10-foot drop protection and all that, all the same military spec standards. Only this one, as you can see, is tinted, and yeah, as if you can also see, it gets more tinted or more darker as you get from the top to the bottom, and also from the sides. This one, it's just all clear all around, and it also came in this plain, box that says Ballistic on it, and nothing much to the box. Just you get this warranty or thank you card with some QR codes to look up the case on their website, as you can see. So nothing much to the unboxing. So if you guys haven't seen the regular unboxing for the smoke tinted Jewel Spark, I'll put it in, like I said, I'll put it in the description. So I ordered this because when I first reviewed this Jewel Spark case, the price on Amazon was like $29.99 with Prime free shipping. This time, great news, it went down $10. So now you can get this Jewel Spark, either of these, the smoke or the crystal clear, for $19.99. And so what are you getting for that $19.99? So what are you getting for US $19.99? Well, number one, like I said, it meets or exceeds military grade A10G drop protection standards. Whereas most are 3 feet drop protection, this has 10 feet drop protection. You get a lifetime warranty, and you get a very good looking and slim case. It's got that disco ball effect that I mentioned in the previous review. This probably, because it's crystal clear, more so than this black or smoke colored version. So there you go. You got military grade, exceeds military grade drop protection with a 10 feet drop protection. You get lifetime warranty. You get a slim and good looking case. Good looking case is based on personal preferences. And then number 4, you got a very good grippy look. You got a very good grippy. You got a very grippy case that will not slip out of your hands, even if they're greasy or oily. And the other good thing with this, what we call a honeycomb looking pattern to this case, is instead of like a full-on clear case that doesn't have no pattern, is that you could still appreciate that hour glow look of the Note 10 or 10 Plus, but you won't see too many like scratches or scuffs on the back of the case, or lint if you get lint in between the case and the and your smartphone, because of the fact that this hides that lint or those extra scuffs, fingerprints, scratches pretty well versus a clear case. So that's the benefit of this little pattern here, and it still looks good. So let's just walk through it real quick. So let's see, getting up close here, as you can see, you can still see the Samsung logo a little bit, and then you can see the Ballistic logo right here on the bottom a little bit, right? But what makes the Ballistic cases so good is what they call their reinforced corners and their six-sided B-Labs, six-sided patented protection. And what they're talking about is they have extra protection and raised corners on both the front and the back, as you can see here. And of course you're also getting extra lip and protection around the camera lens, but you're getting even more so because of these raised corners on, and this is from the back side. As you can see, all the corners are all raised, and they even have the extra, like upon extra right here. It's like a metal. As you can see, they have these extra like corners upon the corners right there. Reinforced corners is what they're talking about. And then also to the front. And as you can see, you're getting extra protection on for the screen, because of there's the lip right here, and then there's the extra lips on the corners for both the top right here and also the bottom. And as you can see, also extra lip protection for your screen on the bottom. Like I said, it's a very thin case, doesn't add too much thickness to your Galaxy Note 10 or 10 Plus, or whatever phone you have that you get this Ballistic Jewel Spark case for. Looking at it from the side angle, because the only buttons are here on the left side, you see that they do kind of stick out from the rest of the side of the case. And these buttons, the power button and the 2 volume buttons, minus or volume up and down, are both very responsive, as you will see in a minute. And all your cutouts are perfectly lined up, from your microphone hole to your USB-C, your speaker, the S Pen, easily removable. And then up top here, again, your little microphone hole and your little speaker hole right there are all perfectly lined up. And looking at it from this part, you can also see right here the extra reinforced corners and extra protection that we were talking about, and also on the bottom. As mentioned before, because there's more impact protection here on the sides, this what is this called, the USB-C adapter for the Note 10 Plus, will not work on this case because of the extra thickness and impact protection for the sides. Because, as they say, every time you drop your phone, usually it'll land on the sides, and so yeah, this will not work as before. But Samsung's regular USB or normal USB-C cord will work on this case. As you can see, no problem there. Fast charging is working, so normal USB-C cords will work, but not your if you're going to use the adapter for, like, say, fast switch or something like that, it's not going to work. You're going to have to remove the case, but to me that's okay. I would rather have the extra protection than not have it. And as mentioned, the buttons are responsive, very responsive, and I don't know if you guys can hear it through my microphone, but it's clicky, and they're very responsive and very clicky. And that also goes for the volume buttons, as you can see. So no issues with the volume buttons or the power button. Very responsive. And if you have a wireless charger, it's no issues with wireless charging, as you can see. Let's do that again. As you can see, fast wireless charging is good to go. Also, fast wireless charging will work in this vertical or horizontal, or what they call landscape mode, as you can see. And it will also work upside down if you accidentally put it this way, upside down. So no issues with wireless charging. So that is our look at this Ballistic Jewel Spark case part 2. The first review was on this one, the smoke or black colored one, and this is the crystal clear one. And like I said, you can get this on Amazon with Prime shipping if you have Prime, and it just depends. Sometimes it might have free same day, sometimes it might have 1 day, and most times it might have free 2-day shipping. But shipping is free, and now the price has gone down to $19.99 instead of $29.99, which makes this even a better deal and better buy now as far as cases go, as far as crystal clear cases go, because number one, you have that military grade protection, up to 10-foot drop protection. You've got a very good looking case, as I said. To me, it's a very good looking case. I like the look of this case. It's slim, doesn't add any, or doesn't add too much thickness to your Note or Note 10 Plus, and or any case that you have for this Jewel Spark series of cases. It's got very good grip, and because of the honeycomb or textured pattern here in the back, it won't show a lot of fingerprint smudges or scratches or lint on the back of your phone. And it has that patented B Labs 6-sided reinforced protection on the corners and the sides, so your phone is getting really well protected, for as well protected as you can on any slim crystal clear case. So highly recommended, and go get it now on Amazon Prime. Please use the link in the description, as it does help out my channel and my charity, the Wounded Warrior Foundation. Also, please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram for all the latest happenings and good workout tips. So this is your boy, the Workout Geek, saying have a great day, Happy New Year everybody, and we'll see you soon for more videos. Take care.